I apologize. I didn't start broadcasting, and we've already gone over most of part 2. We're on question 12 right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so it says, how does the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval that you computed in question 8 compare to the margin of error for the 90% confidence interval that you computed in question 11? Okay, so in question 8, our interval was 532 approximately to 549 approximately, a little bit more than that.
Yeah.
Okay, but in question 11, it was 533 to 548.
Mm-hmm.
The numbers were, there was less of a margin of error in number 11, right? My numbers are closer together, aren't they? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there was less of a margin of error. But I have more confidence that the true mean is within number 8's interval.
Because it's bigger.
Because it's bigger, right.
Yeah.
Like,
That makes sense. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
It's like getting a weather forecast of 60% chance of rain or 50% chance of rain.
Yeah.
Likely.
Yes. Right. Exactly.
Change it.
Okay.
Metaphor. Anyway.
Okay. So for number 13, we had that the BYU professor wants to repeat the experiment, but make sure he has enough students in his samples to ensure that his margin of error is 5. So how many students will he need? So then I'm using my sample size formula.
Mm-hmm.
N equals the z-score times the population standard deviation over m quantity squared, everything squared. And I got 157.352, which means he's going to need to interview 158 students.
It's good.
Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 0.3 students.
Right, exactly. Okay. All right, any questions before we work on the quiz?
No.
I think so.
Okay. All right, well, let's work on the quiz.
Let me open it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get this open.
Did Annie couldn't make it? Did she tell you?
Yeah.
Annie wrote me and said she wasn't going to be able to make it today. But that she would do the work on her own, and she apologized. I mean, that's going to happen sometimes.
Yeah.
Things come up. Margin of error for 90%.
Okay, do we want to just take turns? Somebody want to start with number 3? Like what they think?
Okay.
We'll all work it, but everybody compare it. But Drew, you want to take this one, then Bernice, and then I'll go. We'll kind of go in order like that.
Okay.
Everybody agree that the z-score would be 1.645 here?
645, yeah.
That's what I'm using, 1.645.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1.6.
Okay.
Okay. So margin of error should be 3.29.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Bernice, did you get that? 3.2.
0.
What did you get?
3.290.
Yeah.
I'm just adding on the 0 because it says round to 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm always slow. I have to kind of.
All right.
Okay, you are using a calculator though, right? Because this.
Yeah, my computer.
Okay, good.
Yeah, if without it, then I will be here all night.
Unreliable. Which following statements is true?
3.290.
Okay, 3.290. Okay, Bernice, number 4.
Okay, so which of the following statements is true? It has interval of Is it the first one?
Yeah, the first one is what I put. Is what I think. X bar is a point estimator of the true population.
X bar fine. Okay.
Okay, number 5. So with a 95% confidence interval, we're going to use a z-score of 1.96, right?
For the 95,
Yeah, 1.9.
1.96, okay.
Is the lower limit of confidence interval.
Okay, I got
That's
498.315.
yeah, that's what I got.
Okay,
For 6, I got 553.685.
okay, that's what I got too. So we'll assume those are right. So 498.315 and 553.685. Okay, Drew, you want to tell us what you think on number 7?
okay. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if G increased the sample size? It'd increase, wouldn't it? Or would it
I think the width of the confidence interval decreases actually if the sample size goes up.
Yeah,
If you look at number 8 and 9 on the homework,
yeah.
N went from 50 to 100, and the interval got closer together.
Right, I was just thinking backwards.
Yeah, no, I know. It was kind of confusing because we had a lot of those kinds of questions. And number 8, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval? There, it's going to increase because I'm 99% confident it's in there, and so I need more room to make it to make myself that confident, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Bernice, you want to take the next one?
let's see.
Sample size.
Okay. So we'll use the 1.96, right?
Yes.
I'm confused on this one. Just hold on.
Okay, you're going to use your sample size formula, right? So N is equal to the z-score times standard deviation over M quantity squared,
Oh, that's the one.
because they want to know how many, what sample size we need. Thanks, sweetheart. I love you.
Oh, I didn't see that. Okay. That helps. Oops. Where? Okay.
Sorry, I'm almost.
You're fine.
31.36, no? Does it sound right?
No, I didn't get that. Well, I didn't get that. That doesn't mean I did it right. Okay, you used for the z-score 1.96?
Yeah, 1.96.
Okay, and your standard deviation is 400, right?
400 over the 50.
Right, so we're going to take 1.96 times 400 over 50.
Mm-hmm. And it's in that square.
And then square that. So what did you get when you took 1.96 times 400 and divided it by 50?
Oh, hold on. Eight No, there's something wrong. No, hold on. And 1.96 times 400. Fifteen, 15.68.
Yep, 15.68. That's right. Now square it.
245.8624.
Yep, and we've got to round up because it's a sample size, so it's 246.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't doing a double click, sorry.
Okay. All right. Okay, on number 10 and 11, we're looking for the lower and upper limits. We got a 95% confidence interval, so we're using 1.96 again for the z-score. 111,000 is our mean. 36,730 is our standard deviation, and 36 is our sample size. So we're just going to plug that into the lower and upper limit. So has anybody got that yet? Or do you want me to? I'll wait a minute or two. I do have that when you guys are ready.
You're fast.
No.
That's good.
No, I haven't been told this is not legal, Bernice, but I actually open it a few minutes before we start and I start working on it. Because sometimes when I work with a group, I think I get nervous. I don't know what's going on, but I don't think as clearly. And so what I do is I start working on it and then
Can you do that? I didn't know we can do that.
Well, I don't think you can. I don't know that it said you couldn't. It said you're supposed to work with your group.
Oh, okay.
But I am doing that, right? And so I don't know, I feel like if I get started and just kind of be thinking about it, that I do better. Like the first quiz I didn't do as well on, and I felt like I needed to kind of read it through it first, and then I'd be okay. So I don't know.
Yeah, me too, because it takes me a while to get there. So when we're in the group, I'm too slow for this. So if I prepare beforehand, it will be much better.
Yeah, I think it's okay. I don't know. Drew, did it say you can't do that? I don't think it did.
I don't think it should be a problem.
Yeah. So
As long as we go through it together.
I guess I'll wait until I'm told no, and then I'll say I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah. It definitely helps me, because then I feel like we come together and we work together, and I go, oh, okay, if you guys have gotten what I got, then it's probably right.
Yeah.
Instead of us going, well, if that's what you got, then we'll just go with it. I don't know. It makes me nervous.
I know.
Oh, you know what? I would have totally gotten this wrong. It says to round to the nearest whole number, guys. So keep that in mind when you're giving your answer.
On this one.
I was doing the 3 decimal places.
So for the upper, it's a 122,998.
That's what I got. And when you round it, it stays that. So, yeah, that's what I got for that balloon. Is that what you got, Drew? Is Drew here? We lost Drew.
We did?
Yeah, he's not here. I'm going to try and invite him back.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know either until just now. I'm not getting.
Oh.
I invited him again. Do it one more time. Huh. Do you have his number? His is the only one I don't have, actually.
I don't have his number.
I don't either. We probably should make sure we've got each other's numbers.
Yeah, text it sometimes.
Yeah, I know. What kind of calculator do you have?
So, it's just a computer, but I'm just too slow. I'm telling you, with math,
No, it's not that you're slow. It's just if you have like a TI, you can put could show you how to just put the entry back in and change the minus or the plus sign to a minus, and then you can just have the calculator.
oh, that will be much easier.
That's really fast, yeah.
I know I should get something like that.
They're expensive. I'm using the one that I had in high school.
Yes, you have that. Oh.
Yes, I still have.
I mean, I'm not calling you old at all.
No, it's been many years, 20 years since I've been in high school. But I taught math, so I kept my calculators, you know.
Oh, you did? Where do you teach math? Where do you teach math?
I taught high school math.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, so for the lower, it's a 99001.
Yeah. But it's high enough that it would round up to 99002, right?
202, yeah.
Yes, that's what I got to.
So for the upper, we have to run it, right? So 1, 2, 2, 2, no. 9. How would we run that? The upper one.
I left it. It's 122998 because the 4 is next to the 8.
Okay, so we just
Yeah. So
1,
just
2,
yeah, don't round it up.
998.
Yes. And then on number 12, there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are, and he just names them all. And so you have to just do all of the above, which really is funny to me because I think that was kind of a gimme question for us, but that was nice of him.
Yeah, it's good to get an extra credit in that one.
But okay, I'm just gonna go through and make sure we rounded everything the way we're supposed to and all that kind of stuff. So 1 and 2 we do on our own. Margin of error, round to 3 decimal places, 3.290. That's 3 decimal places.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4, X bar is a point estimator of the mean, population mean. Number 5, round to 3 decimal places, 498.315, right?
Yeah.
Okay, round to 2 decimal places, 553.685.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 7, decrease. Number 8, increase.
Yeah.
Number 9, round to the nearest whole number, so we got 246.
246.
Yeah. Number 10, round to the nearest whole number, 99002. Number 11, round to the nearest whole number, 122998. And number 12, all of the above.
Yeah.
Yes? We're submitting.
Okay.
I'm submitting.
Okay.
Oh, huh. We got one wrong. We got number 3 we got wrong. Huh. Do you know what I bet it is? I wonder if it isn't that we used 1.645, and I wonder if he used 1.65. Because on the answers on the answer key, he had 1.65. But in the lesson, it did say 1.645. So I don't know. Let me just see if it would make a difference. I'm sure it would make a difference, don't you think, if we're rounding to the nearest 3 places? 65 times 50 over 25. Let's just see. Because if so, I'm going to ask him to change that. Not
Yeah.
difference, A minus A. Have you already submitted yours? Do you want to try and see if it makes a difference?
Sure. I haven't submitted because I was just putting the
You
answer.
did already submit it?
Not yet.
No, you haven't. Okay, so if you want to, try 3.300. See if it makes a difference.
3 point.
Times 50 over 25.
3.300.
Yeah. I mean, what can it hurt? You're gonna get it wrong either way, right? I mean,
Yeah. Okay.
maybe you'll get it right.
Let me submit it then. Okay. It's wrong.
Oh, it's wrong too. Huh, that was weird. Okay.
So on number 4, didn't we say it was the first option?
Yeah, we did the first option, yes.
I got it wrong.
Oh, maybe your first option is different than my first option. Is it
I-
X bar is a point estimator of the population mean?
Oh yeah, I can tell I put that one, but no, I didn't put that
Oh, I'm sorry,
one.
Bernie.
Oh no, it's okay. I when we read it, in my mind I click on it, but I guess in here I didn't click.
Oh my gosh, I see it. I see what we did, Bernice.
What?
For the margin of error. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. For the margin of error, we should have divided by the square root of 25. We didn't divide by the square root of 25. That's what was wrong.
Oh,
We messed that up.
that's true.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
That's the actual, yeah, we should have divided by the square root of 25. I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's fine.
What is it?
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
still good.
That's what it was. I think, anyway, that's what the formula says, so.
Oh, it's fun. All these questions. Yesterday it took me a long time. The test, oh, I got a headache.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You see, basic math is good, but I mean, this kind of math, I have never taken something like this. So I told my husband, I said, I feel so proud of myself because I didn't know, I didn't have a clue of anything. Now I think I'm getting it. So it's been good.
Good.
But, oh, here's Andrew's there.
What now? Yeah, Drew, where'd you go?
My Wi-Fi went down for like 20 minutes there. I just fixed it. It was really just random. I did not see that coming at all. So, kind of missed the last half of your going over the things.
Okay. Did you get the lower limit and upper limit for 10 and 11?
I haven't even looked at the question yet.
Oh, so you didn't even have access to the quiz during that time.
Well, I was just busy trying to get the Wi-Fi back mostly. I was a little
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Bernice, are you feeling like you do have it now? You feel like, okay, I feel pretty confident on this now.
Yeah, I mean, like I say, it takes me a while, but I'm way better than when we started because, like I said, I didn't have a clue at anything. So it takes me a while. I have to sit down and really kind of put the formulas down, the numbers down, and then read to understand what they're asking. So, but I think it's a good idea if I can get in on the quiz before we come together.
Yeah.
That way I work on it.
Yeah, if I felt like I don't know, I felt like when I was talking to other people that I just couldn't concentrate quite as well, and so just having just 10 or 15 minutes of quiet time and just kind of read through the quiz and get an idea of where I'm going to at least go helps a lot for me.
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we'll see you on Tuesday.
Yes. Lesson 11 on Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay.
Going with.
Have a good night.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah.
Bye.
Did Drew,
Yes.
where did we lose you then?
Last time I heard you, you were discussing about, you were talking about number 9, I believe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got that one. Did you get that one?
Yeah, 246.
Yes, yes. So there's only 3 left.
Yeah, okay.
So tell me when you think you got number 10 and we'll
Okay.
compare, contrast.
100,000 times
Great. Did I?
36, 730. It's a big number. Divided by oh, lower limit. What am I doing? That's wrong. Probably that's the wrong equation. Okay. Z-score 1.96. All right. Back that. Okay. 99,001. Is that right?
Yeah, I bumped it up to 99,002.
Okay. Got it. All right. Like that's a pretty big number.
It is a big number.
Okay. We'll just do the same thing but add instead. It should be. Okay. 122,999.
I have 98.
98. Okay. You went
Yeah.
round down. Okay.
Well, because the 0.4 wasn't enough to bump it up.
Well, for some reason, I just assumed they were people and just rounded up.
Oh, yeah, no, it's upper and lower limits of our sample mean, or our mean.
Right. 2998. Okay. All right. And there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing comments. Oh yeah, those are the 3 you just talked about earlier. So it's all.
Yeah. Yep, all the above. That's what I got.
Okay, cool.
So, number 3, we messed up on.
Oh yeah, the square root thing. That's right.
Yes. So if you want to go back and rework that, I don't have the quiz in front of me, so I can't actually
That's fine.
tell you, but we did mess up on that one, so you might want to rework it.
Not a bad idea. 1.9. No, 1.645. 645 times standard deviation 50 divided by square root of which is 25, should be 5. The grand total is 16.45.
Hopefully that is accurate. I'm sure it probably is.
Okay. 1.45. Ooh, how much do we need? 526. Right, that should do it. All looks good. I guess I'll submit it then.
What now?
Yeah. Oh, I got them all.
Okay, good job.
It was 16.45.
Okay.
Right. Cool. All right. Is that it?
That's it. I'll see you Tuesday.
Okay, good. All right. Hopefully the
good night.
Wi-Fi will hold out the next time.
Hopefully it will. Okay, take care.
Right. Bye.